Hello, today we are here at Guarantee RV in Junction City. Today we're going to be looking at a Sundance 2021 221RB, and that is the model. Um, on the outside, you're going to get a front power jack, two propane tanks, and then two batteries behind that. And then you're going to get a nice size pass-through. You will have power jacks all the way around this thing. And then you will also have an outdoor shower. It is pre-wired for a backup camera and monitor. And then if you continue on the outside, you are going to get your black and gray tank in one spot behind the rear wheel. And then in front, you are going to actually have a pre-wire for solar panels. Now onto the inside, what we are going to get is, as soon as you walk in, storage. As soon as you walk into the left, it's going to be a good amount of size. Into the bathroom, you are going to have a good amount of elbow space on the toilet. And then once you get into the shower, it is going to be kind of like a 360 where you're going to have a good amount of space as well. Once you get on the other side of the bathroom, you're going to get a nice slide out with a U-shaped dinette. So you can actually sit your entire family and play some cards and eat. And then you are going to get a queen size bed up in the front that lifts up for storage. You are going to have storage on both sides, and then you will also have two little LED lights coming down so you can read your books. And then one of my favorite things is, because I'm a cook, is you're going to get a big countertop so you can actually cut all your food, kind of prep for everything. If you do have any questions, feel free to give me a call at 541-232-4465. Thank you again. I'm JD.